Alright, you going first this time?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
I go first. You have fun? Yeah.
Awesome. There you go.
Should I go behind Mom or go behind you? Jai, you gotta wait.
Thanks.
I know.
Oh, sandals.
This is a lot easier.
You're not supposed to wear sandals.
Alright. They get more difficult as you go for sure.
Yeah. Take these flip-flops are a little big.
I think so. Try them on. Let's go.
Oh.
Come on, no ropes. Let go of the ropes.
No hands.
There you go. I should have gave you this head one because that one's hitting the line and everything. You can switch up when we go back. We'll just switch helmets.
Alright. It hasn't been too bad.
Ooh, look at this one.
The courses. Yeah.
Huh.
Think you could do the opposite? Can you go only logs?
Oh, I don't know. That'll be kind of tough. Let's try it next time. Oh, two double logs?
I did one instead.
Okay, go.
It's easier. If you do one, it's easier.
Oh, two's easier.
No, it's not. This is easy. Nice one. Good job, Chrissy. Alright, we're going X's and O's.
No hands.
Don't worry, it gets harder when you go up. Don't fall.
If I fall, I'm good. Woo!
Nice one.
Come on, let go.
I keep hitting the GoPro.
X's and O's. Yeah, we'll switch when we get back.
Oh, what is this?
What's that?
What's this one? The triangle.
Yeah. Watch your head.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Daddy,
What?
you're not supposed to be going.
You're fine. You're supposed to be up there. Come on, big step. There you go. Yep, push off with your hand. There you go. Yep, push hard again. Nice.
Yeah, go try.
She's got the hang of it now.
Look at that one. That one looks tough.
Which one?
The log.
Oh, yeah. The spider web.
Oh.
Oh, I probably don't want to be in that thing.
Nice one, Daddy.
Ah, you made it all the way.
Got it all the
That
way
flew.
over.
Yes.
That was good.
How you doing there? One drink before we go up a level.
I'll carry the cooler up with us. All right, good push. Backwards. You're doing
There you go.
tricks.
Don't set it on the ground.
On the
Nice
ground.
steer koala.
As long as it's on the wood, it's fine.